In this video, we are going to see the introduction about the operating system scheduling. In OS is the process of selecting a process from the ready queue and allotting the CPU to the selected process for execution. Ready queue means if the process is ready for execution, OS brings it into the ready queue. That is the main memory. There we can see the type of queues later. And now the scheduling of an operating system means it schedules the process in such a way that the CPU doesn't sit idle. We can call this as process scheduling. This is an important part of an OS as the perfect scheduling increases the efficiency of the OS. The operating system schedules the process so that the CPU always has one process to execute. This reduces the CPU's idle time and increases its utilization. The part of OS that allots the computer resources to the process is termed as a scheduler. This scheduler uses the scheduling algorithms to decide which process it must allot to the CPU. We know that process needs CPU time and IO time for execution. When a process completes its CPU time and now if it needs to perform the IO operation, the operating system takes the CPU from this process, that is the completed process, and then provides it to the other process which are waiting for the CPU. In this way, the OS manages the CPU resources in an efficient way. The OS schedules every computer resource before it provides to the process. The purpose or objectives of a scheduling algorithm, that is the scheduler uses only the scheduling algorithms to schedule the process. What is the objective or what is the purpose of this algorithms are? The goals of scheduling algorithms are maximum utilization of CPU so that we can keep the CPU as busy as possible. Throughput means the number of processes which are completing their execution in per unit time. This has to be maximum. That is, we should have maximum throughput. To achieve this also, we are using this scheduling algorithms. Then next is the turnaround time. That means the time taken by the process to finish their implementation. This should be minimum. Next is the waiting time, is the time that that the process remains in the ready queue. That also must be minimum. Then is the response time. When the this is the time when the process gives its first response. That time also must be minimum. So for this and all, we are using to achieve these things, we are using the scheduler. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.